You can pick up one paint can, saves you from putting a crease on your hands. Notice that it goes sideways at the end like that. You can pick up two cans too. This can slide a little bit, so that's good. It did show 3 cans. Put the heavy one in the middle here. Okay, go like this. The picture showed this apparently looking a little bigger, but in any case, you have to hold it. And you can carry 3 cans at one time. So for a paint can holder, I like it. Okay, so it carries these buckets. This actually split, so yeah, it'll work fine on those. I have this 20-foot aluminum ladder. There's no way to put this on. I mean, you could possibly put it on the bottom here, but there's no way to get the other side in here. And I slid the ladder apart, put it on, but it's not going to fit because this is sealed underneath here. So, and it's not wide enough to go over both of them. Yeah, so I can't carry this ladder no matter how I try to fix it. Doesn't work on that type of ladder. Now I have an 8-foot more conventional ladder, step ladder, and I can get this in the back. This is just U-shaped. It'll go in the, this will clamp in the back and then come down the hole here. When I lift it, you know, there's no way to keep it the center of gravity from sliding. You can't keep it fixed. It slides. So I'm going to try it up here, higher. It'll hold on, but the problem is it's not in the center of gravity, so I have to use 2 hands anyway to carry it. So it's not working so well on this ladder either. And now I have a step stool kind of ladder, 6 foot, and there's no way this one will work because these are solid pieces, so there's no way to hook it onto anything. Yeah, that's going to slip off. There's nothing for the what to bite onto. So for my 3 ladder types, this little hook, it looks like it will work well in terms of balance for some ladders. It's not working with any of my ladders.